Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Ohio. Hi, I'm Jeff Crook coming to you from Chime Master Systems near Lancaster, Ohio. We're a company that specializes in manufacturing electronic bell systems for churches that replicate the sound of bells or musical carillons. We also manufacture electronic equipment to ring real bells automatically, and we also sell new bells as well as pre-owned bells. So today we're featuring a pre-owned bell that we've recently finished refurbishing for a client on the West Coast. Unfortunately, the client's bell was outside near the church, kind of around the corner beside the building, and someone stole it. So they're getting a replacement, and as part of our agreement with them, we agreed to fix the bell up, make it look nice, kind of make it look shiny and new, so to speak. So as you can see, the bell itself presents as a kind of a new bell look. It was bead blasted with garnet sand, which brings up a nice matte bronze color. It's not a high polish, mirror finish kind of thing. It's a good look that'll last a while. We do clear coat them as well, so the patina won't come back, although over decades it will eventually. We do have the option for a high polish. There's an extra charge available to have us buff it with a wire wheel and some polishing compounds and get you a near mirror finish. Depending on the foundry, some of these bells will come up to really a really bright look that you can see yourself in. Others will just be a nice polished high gloss kind of look. This is a nice bell cast by a foundry in Baltimore, Maryland in 1891. Turned out really well, and it has a great sound. Another thing that we did with this bell came to us with the original yoke, original A-stands, original clapper, and the original tolling hammer. We'll talk about that in a second. All the cast iron parts were sandblasted and then powder coated with a tough, durable, non-rusting, baked-on finish. This is a medium gloss black. It's our favorite finish, really. Most of the bells that come through here, we do medium gloss black for our clients. However, you can really have kind of any color you want. There's 6,000 or 7,000 different powder coating colors available, from metallics to fluorescents, hammered finishes. There's all different kinds of things, and all the colors of the rainbow. So if you have a particular color or color scheme you're interested in most cases standard colors are no additional charge. If you want an exotic metallic that needs a clear coat or something over it, there's a small additional charge for that. As part of this project, we built a new base frame to support the bell. It's all pressure treated 6x6 lumber, galvanized bolts and hardware, so that it'll hold up for decades for them. They won't have to do a lot of maintenance. We also replaced the center bolt that holds the bell together. New galvanized high-strength bolt, galvanized nuts, again, rust preventative measure there. This tolling hammer, nice feature that came with this bell. Normally this hammer would mount low here on the bell and be set up so that when you pulled a rope, it would reach up. See if I can do this. And hit the bell. Every time you would tug the rope, you'd get a strike on the stationary bell. That enables you to have that mournful funeral bell sound where the bell is struck on a nice even cadence, say every 8 or 10 seconds. And with a rope pull like this, you could, if you wanted to toll off a certain number for a memorial event, you'd be able to do that. We do have options for electrifying a bell like this. We don't have it here, but there is a steel wheel that goes out with this, so they can swing it with a rope. They could have, as an additional cost, they could have a linear motor or a chain drive motor or an electric toller to replace this hand toller. So there's other options available with modern electronic solid-state controls to ring the bell on a schedule of the client's choice, with a manual override feature. If they want to ring the bell for special events, they can just push a button and make it go. thank you for viewing this video and comparing it. We do have a video up online of this bell before it was restored, so you can kind of see the comparison. This would be an option. A lot of times we'll price out a bell kind of as is. If you want to purchase it without removing the patina, you want to do your own painting, or we can provide it completely restored like this. Again, thank you very much for viewing this video. We appreciate you checking out the Chime Master channel, and we encourage you to look at our website at Thank you for viewing this video, checking out our other videos here on the Chime Master channel, and we do encourage you to visit our website at www.chimemaster.com. Chime Master appears as one word with no spaces, or you can call our office toll-free at 800-344-7464 for information on current inventory and pricing on specific bells that you see on our YouTube channel or on our website. Again, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.